Today, we will guide you through the correct process of unboxing your Ferla Mini Cart. To begin, locate the two sides with red stickers. These stickers indicate the sides that should be opened first. Take note of the side with the press foot brake sticker. You will need an 8mm or 5/16 socket to unscrew 16 screws on each side. Cut all safety straps. Once this step is completed, proceed to remove the foam packaging from both sides as it's shown in the video. Extract all included components afterward. Now, you are ready to carefully extract the cart itself. Remember to release the foot brakes before doing so. Gently pull out the cart from the same side where the handle and foot brakes are positioned. For added caution, we recommend enlisting someone's assistance in this process. Set the brakes once you have pulled out the cart. Gently remove the packaging. You will discover all the keys fastened to a sink. 2 keys are provided for each lock. Ensure you store the duplicates in a secure location. If you possess a refrigerator, let's proceed with doors installation. Inside the fridge, you will locate them. Unwrap them and begin by installing the smaller door, followed by the larger one. And there you have it. Thank you for your attention.